you can see, you can just hear.
Okay.
Yeah. Five, okay. So you changed it when you came up and you counted up and you said 5. Okay, so you just counted up from the fewer cups that we determined earlier was Monday to the most, which is on Tuesday, and you counted up. Okay, all right. Anyone agree? Well, oh, let me change this to 5 for you. Yes, yes, you have 40. So do you think you can come up, if you don't mind, to defend your 40? Okay. So you did you tell me again how you did it? You went up to 70 and you went down. So it looks like, did you do a subtract? It looks like you kind of went backwards counting down. And what did you count down by? 10. So you counted from 70. I mean, I don't want to put any words in your mouth. Was that what you're saying? You went from 70 and you counted. So after 70, you have, oh, is that how you did it? Okay. And then 50, and then 40, and then you stopped on 30. And now, how did you get 40? So it looks like you counted down when you compared it, but when you're looking for the leads, I mean, with the, how many more cups of coffee were sold on Tuesday than on Monday?
Dominic, are you wanting to change your answer too?
Okay, okay. What would you like to change it to? 30. To 30? Okay, you want to circle it? It looks like you. Ooh. I'm pretty tall. I know I wrote it way up there. Oh, thank you. So it looks like Dominic counted backwards and he went down by 10.
Why by 10? Jasper?
Because it's counting by 10.
The scale is 10s. So is there another answer? I'm sorry, I'm butting in.
No,
Is there another, does anybody have another answer? Michael, do you have another answer?
It's actually 40. Because I don't really think this like counts. So you go 10, 20, 30, and then you reach up to 40, and it's counting by 10s.
okay. So it looks like you said, and you did a little, you went from the bar and you noticed it and you went up to where it stopped. But you didn't start at 30, you said 10, which was the next one, 20, 30, 40. Okay, anyone agree? Did anyone else have a different way that they came up with that?
Jasper?
70 minus 30 would equal 40, because it's just like 70 minus 3.
Okay, so you, my friend took a different approach. He took this number here when he noticed it, and you have this number, and then you subtracted both those numbers and came up with a different answer. Anyone agree? Thank you, Mrs. Rydell, because I do need some help.
Oh, you're doing a great, you're doing an absolutely amazing job, but I tend to butt in for
Well,
anybody.
I appreciate that. No, thank you. Okay.
Oh, it was another part of that question.
Good.
Okay, I apologize.
Don't apologize, we like these questions.
Okay. Oh. So patient. How many cups of coffee were sold all together?
Oh.
Okay.
Marina, what do you think?
15.
Agree or keep your thumb up there if you still. Dominic Washevsky?
150.
150.
So anyone who has a different answer that's not on the board? You have a different answer that's not on the board? Yes.
160. Okay.
Cody?
115.
And I'm gonna put that up here, and that's okay.
That's enough answers.
Okay. All right, so we have several different answers to that question. How many cups of coffee were sold all together on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday? So my friend who did 115, would you like to defend?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna come on up? How am I looking on time? It's right now.
Oh,
Okay.
So, you see 30. You see 50. And you know this is 70. So you all add that all up.
So you took the sum of it, so you added Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday together.
Yes.
So let me,
sorry.
no, go ahead.
I was butting in and I shouldn't.
No, yes, you should.
Cody, can you explain how, Mrs. Farkas wants you to explain how you found that? Remember, we can't see what's in your mind, so you have to tell us what went through your mind. Cody, out loud, can you talk about what you're doing, please?
So, 30 plus 50 equals 80. 70 plus 80. That equals 115.
Thank you. We have some people thinking no. Thank you. Mrs. Farkas, who would you like next? Which number to defend?
Oh, 15.
15.
Was my friend who said 15, do you still
Marina?
have this? Or did you change your, mind at all about the 15? Okay, would you like to come up and defend? Thank you.
Remember, talk us through what you did.
Okay, can you show, tell us again, you wanna tell everybody again how you came up with 15? Thank you. And we have, our friend who said 150. Please
So
forgive me, I
Dominic
didn't write down the numbers. I know,
Dominic Rashevsky.
yes, I remember Ms. Rydell wrote down everyone's name.
You can go up there, go defend that. How did you come up with that? Use your voice too.
70 plus 30 equals 100 plus 50 equals 150.
Okay, all right, so you said 70, now tell me, how did you come up with 70? You got
70? This is 70
Okay,
plus 30
okay,
plus these together make the 100 plus this 50 equals 150.
okay, so you added all the sums of those days together and you came up with 150. Anyone agree? No, my friend was 160. You changed your mind? Okay, what did you come up with now? 150? It looks like you agree with how Dominic added those sums together. Okay.
Marina, did he convince you? I thought I saw, an agreement signed. Did he convince you? Yes? What was different about what Dominic's answer was compared to yours? Can anybody help us to know that? What was different? Dominic, you want to speak? And what's the scale counting by tens? Sorry, I
No,
used my motion.
I appreciate it. No, thank you. Thank you. Okay. You all are really teaching me. I'm learning how to do it as well. And it's not as easy as it is when you read it in a book. Okay. Last question. And this is a challenge question. Can you think of any question we could ask about the graph that we haven't already discussed? Just looking at it. Is this something that you can teach Ms. Farkas about this graph that we haven't talked about?
Mila, you have a question?
The Monday is which one is how many more is Tuesday than Wednesday?
How many more is Tuesday than Wednesday? Would you like to come up and explain to us? Oh, okay, yeah, that might be better. This is good.
How many more Tuesday than Wednesday is you gotta see Tuesday is 50 and Wednesday is 70. So you just need to up 50, 60. There's 2.
And so, how many more cups of
That
coffee?
equals 11. And the easier way to say that would be how many more cups of coffee were sold on Tuesday and Wednesday?
Okay, okay. Anyone else? Are you gonna, oh, she said she changed her answer. Yeah, she looked at it, she changed it. And you added that 0. And I remember Ms. Rydell said we are on that axis, we are counting by 10, so you added that. I appreciate that. Anyone agree? You do agree? Okay, all right. Any other questions? Any questions that you may have for me at all? No?
How many cups of coffee were all together on Tuesday and Monday?
Okay. So, you said how many cups of coffee were sold on Tuesday and Monday together, all together? Okay, would you like to come up and defend and answer it for us? No? Anyone wants
Do
to
you want-
come up?
You're putting that out to the
Yeah.
public? All right, who thinks they know the answer to that?
100. You agree? All right, do we have any different answers?
Bennett?
120. Do you agree? Any other? No? Okay, would you like to come and defend your 100? Okay.
So I added this 70 plus 30. So I did 0 plus 0 is 0, and then 7 plus 3 is 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop right here.
And then you came up with 100. So my friend said he added those numbers together. He saw it was at 30. Am I saying it right? Yes.
And then I added 70.
And then he added 70 to 30, and you came up with 100. So, am I doing this correctly? Okay. Did anyone else?
Bennett?
Plus 70 plus 50 is 120.
70 plus 50 is 120. Now you got 70 from Tuesday. Oh, and when? And
Oh yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Because I remember your question was how many cups of coffee were sold altogether on Tuesday and Monday.
I thought you said Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Bennett. Thank you, Bennett. Bennett looked and he realized that he was thinking about Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's 150. 120, sorry. 120 cups of coffee. You want to show us how? So Bennett question that he had in his mind was that he was going to add how many cups of coffee were all together sold on Tuesday and Wednesday. Would you want to write that for us? It's a different question, if that's okay. But I appreciate that because you all are teaching me. So thank you for that new question. I'm going to write it down. You want to show us how you came up with that? All right, thank you, Bennett. So Bennett took Tuesday, and he knew it was 70, and then he took Wednesday, which was 50, and he added those up, and his sum was 120. And that's how we know that on Tuesday and Wednesday, that's how many cups of coffee were sold all together. Thank you. I have to write that down. You just taught me something. Okay. Any other questions? If not, I think that's my time.
2 claps for Mrs. Burke.
Thank you.